The KPI tiles, as well as showing you data, are interactive, and you can use the spark lines to control the time filters on the Explorer. So at the moment I have the last 24 hours being compared to the previous day. And if I hover over one of the spark lines, I can see an arrow on the left of that. That's saying, well, if I wanted to go back to that previous day and compare that to the day before that, I can just go backwards in time, or with the right hand arrow, I can click right and come back to the latest 24 hours. Or if I don't want to move around, but I want to zoom into the data, I can select a time range on this chart, such as drilling down into that spike just by dragging over the spark line, as you saw. And that's revealing to me, for instance, that the video creative type with its very large delta change is responsible for what's happening in the data there. If I want to take that idea of 1 hour's worth of data, but see what the hour's worth of data was like at a different point, I can just drag that entire selection back and forwards. And now every time one of these metrics is updating, as it does, that's all about that selected time range, the 1 hour. Or if I did want to change the time range, maybe I wanted to look at a few hours at a time, I can just drag one edge of that window and again drag that back and forwards. I can zoom into that time range if I like, to dedicate the entire spark line to that range. Or if I just go backwards, if I wanted to drill into a specific measure for that time range, I can click the tile, and that's going to take me to the drill down view with that time range selected on the chart and also highlighted in the table. Or both here and on the main dashboard, I can just click outside of the selected range and it will just get rid of that zoom. And if I go back to the main page, we can see the kind of the state. There's a bit of memory of where the zoom was, and that's going to persist or carry on as I switch between this view and the drill down view. So that's using the KPI spark lines as a time filter. Very interactive, super useful, I think, for users, and a little demonstration of more or less everything that's on the screen. If you click on it or drag on it, probably something's going to happen. It's quite discoverable. It's quite a nice interface to play around with. So that's the KPI tile. In the next video, we're going to focus on the right-hand side of the screen and start looking at the leaderboards.